What's up, people? Y'all good? Good? I'm good. I'm here chilling, and yes, I've come today to show you guys a little makeup haul. So I went on the Makeup Revolution website, didn't you know, like I like them all that, but I went on their website and I just got a couple stuff that I wanted. I mean, I don't like buying makeup online because you can't actually see the stuff, but you kind of have to guess. So I was watching videos and all the time, it just became so long. But yeah, I got some stuff and I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. Okay. So this is the box everything came in, as you can see. Hello, hi, hey, hello, hi. Hey, but yeah, so let me put this down. First of all, when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, they know me. This is the first thing in there. As you can see, it says my name. But yeah, this is just a delivery note. When I saw it, I was like, what are they doing? But to be honest, I like this because it's like personalized. I don't know if this is new or old, but mate, I think this is since they've done their new branding thing. And yeah, I think that's quite nice. That's cute. Okay, let's get started. I'm just going to tell you guys simply what I bought, okay? One of the things that I did buy was a primer. I actually needed a new primer, and I've been really liking Makeup Revolution lately. So I thought, let me try their primers. They do have different primers. Since I'm mostly oily in my T-zone, I thought, let me get a mattifying primer. So Shine Free Makeup Base with salicylic, is that how you say it? Salicylic acid, yeah? This is the primer that I picked up, and I've already used it, yeah, because I got too excited as soon as it came. I was like, I'm gonna put it on. But yeah, I've already used it and I feel like it's helped my makeup more, which is really nice. Another thing that I bought was this oil control fixing spray. So I bought this spray to finish off when I've applied my makeup. It would give me a matte finish. It says oil control, so again, I'm trying to control all the oil on my face. I've got the primer, I'll use this as well, and I've already used this as well, and it is actually really good, so that's a keeper. On the site, I did see this, which is the Makeup Revolution Matte Base Powder. I got this in a P10. I couldn't tell my colour from online because they didn't have, they had the different colours in the drop down box, but they didn't have like the picture of it, if that makes sense. So I couldn't see exactly what was my colour, so I had to watch some videos and see what colour I could actually get. So I just put this on. Normally I use MAC powder, as in to put on after when everything is done, but yeah, I just put this on after I've finished doing everything, and it's actually quite good. So alright, so I've bought some lip liners, and I've just looked at them and I realised that they're very similar. Maybe I should have gone for a different shade, but that could be another haul. I bought this lip liner in the colour Takeover and this colour called Exempt. So you can probably see that the colours aren't too far from each other. I still can make it work. This winter I'm trying to go for a bold lip, dark colours, dark eyeshadow. Yeah, to be honest, I had to upgrade my makeup kit, so I wanted some new stuff. I do love a good lip liner, so I'm gonna try these out. I have not worn them yet, but I look forward to wearing them. I also got some lipsticks. You know I love a good everyday lip, so I got some from the Soph collaboration, and I got the colours Syrup and Fudge. I knew they would be similar, but I knew one would be more dark and one would be like everyday. But here's the two colours, so it's Fudge and Syrup. I'm loving the packaging. That's one thing about Makeup Revolution, their packaging. I love this rose gold look. Like when I opened the box, I was just like, yes. That's the two lipsticks that I bought. This one is Syrup, and then Fudge is next to it. The next thing I got on my list is, look at this packaging. Look at it. I love it. I love it. So this is called Skin Kiss Rose Gold Kiss Super Intense Skin Loving Highlighter. Okay. I am wearing it today. I didn't really put too much on, but if you can see, this is just a basic highlight. I thought, yeah, the rose gold would be nice. So I did buy some stuff that I don't normally buy, and I thought, let me buy it because these are new to the website as well. So I thought, let me get them, and they are lashes. Yeah, so these are the Makeup Revolution lashes. I got 2 lashes. I got the one natural lashes, and they are number 3, and the name of those are called Undercover. And the other lash that I got are wispy lashes, number 4, and the name of those is Feather. As you guys know, I don't really wear lashes, but I will be wearing lashes. I can't wait to put these on, to be honest. These are going to be so good. Yeah, so those are the 2 lashes that I bought. So that's all the stuff that I personally purchased. On the website it does say spend a certain amount and you get a goodie bag. So they gave me a goodie bag. To be honest, in the goodie bag, I don't know why I was thinking, oh my gosh, this is some extra treats, extra stuff. It is, but I knew it wouldn't be stuff that I would personally pick out. Obviously not, because I know they're just gonna put whatever in there. So yeah, the goodie bag came like this, and I'm gonna show you guys what they gave me. So first is this, some makeup sponge. Yes, the ultimate blender to bake and sculpt. Mega Bake. It's literally like a big rubber. So yeah, I guess I could use that. Yeah, they have given me in the goodie bag, I've got a Makeup Revolution lipstick in Atomic shade. So this is like a grape color, which I'm sure I could use. As I said, it's coming to winter now, so dark colors are what you want to be wearing. So yeah, this I'll actually probably wear. When I saw this, now I don't know if I would be wearing. This is bright, like this, I don't know. So this is Velvet Lip Liqueur. Goes on as a liquid and dries matte. Touch proof and long wearing, intense color. Okay. No, I don't see myself wearing this, to be honest. No, that is so bright. I don't know, you never know actually. You never know. I might be able to pull this off, to be honest. I shouldn't say I don't think I'll wear it because it's bright. I used to think that with so many different colours, and now I'm just like, yeah, I'm gonna try everything. The next thing that was in the goodie bag is this liquid highlighter. Now with this, I'm just like, I've never tried liquid highlighter before. I'm just used to. So with this, I wouldn't mind giving it a try. But the colour, I don't even know if this, I don't know. I would give it a try. So it's this one, and this is the colour. I'm not sure, I'm guessing it's just a kind of thing, but we'll see how that goes. They also sent me this highlighter as well. This is a platinum highlighter. I think I remember these online, as in they have the gold. So with this, I'll give it a try. The last thing that they sent me was this ultra base corrector. I have got some correctors, but I've not picked up an actual palette of it. So I guess you can't go wrong with this, I guess. You can't really go wrong. I do like the black packaging for this and the gold. So let's see. Yeah, you can't, oh, I love the mirror. Okay. So yeah, you can't really go wrong with that. And that's all that was sent in the goodie bag. So that's my stuff and what was in the goodie bag. But that is all for my liquor haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will do a video where I'm actually using the things that I bought, especially the lashes. I might do a little lash video for you guys. Be prepared to watch a 1 hour video. No, I'm playing. I will actually probably do a lash video for you guys, and more, not necessarily me showing you guys doing my makeup, but more chatty videos while I'm doing my makeup, because I do enjoy those, and I hope you guys enjoy those type of videos as well. That is all for this makeup haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So the makeup was all from Makeup Revolution, where I ordered it online. Hope you guys enjoyed watching all the stuff that I bought, and maybe you can find some stuff that you guys might like as well. So once you spend, I think it's £25, then you get a goodie bag. You never know, in your goodie bag you might get something you might actually like. So make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, make sure you guys subscribe down below, make sure you guys comment on anything that you've actually bought, or recommend anything, because I am looking for new stuff to add to my kit. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.